Hey, in this part we are going to learn about the do while loop in C++. The do while loop is a special loop because it runs at least one time even if the condition is false. Okay, so let's understand how it works. A do while loop is a loop where the loop body executes first. Okay, the condition is checked after execution, so the code runs at least once. Okay, so let's take a look at the basic syntax. So we use the do, let's wait do, and we press enter. As you can see, we get do. We first use the do keyword, then a block of code inside the curly brackets. Okay, inside curly brackets, then we check, then we use the while keyword, and from there we write our condition. Okay, so this one, let me explain very well. So you should notice the semicolon. Okay, this semicolon after the while condition. Okay, after the while condition, this semicolon, which means this block of code is going to run. Okay, so it's going to run. Okay, this one is going to run first, okay, before checking this condition. Okay, so let me try to explain to you very well how the do while loop works. So the code inside the do runs first, the condition is then checked. If the condition is true, the loop repeats. If false, the loop stops, but it has run once. It has run at least one time. Okay, so let us take a look at this, a simple do while loop. Okay, so here we can have int I. Let's set it to 1. Let's set it to 1. From there, let us use the do. Then let us try to output something. Let us try to output something using the console out I, and we end our line like that. So from there we are going to try to increment our I. From there, after incrementing our I, we are going to check if I is less than or equals to what, or equals to 5, like that, and we try to save. Then we try to add here a semicolon, try to save. So from there, let us try to compile our program. After compiling, let us try to run, clear the screen, and we'll try to run our program. And when we try to run, as you can see, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so because here we first output I when it's still 1. From there we start incrementing. We increment. After incrementing, we check if I is still less than or equals to 5. Okay, and if it is still, then we execute this block of code again. Okay, until the I is not less than or equals to 5. Okay, so let us try to see how we can use like the infinity loop. Okay, an infinity do while loop. So to use it, let us try to use that so we don't increment, and inside here we can have, even if we use that condition, okay, this one is also going to generate an infinity loop. So let's try to test. Let's try to test if we do like that. If we compile and we run our program, it's going to generate an infinity loop. Okay, because there is nothing that's going to decrease to increment I. So let's try to use Ctrl C to exit, and I press CLS to clear our screen. Okay, so from there, let's take a look at we can also use the do while loop to get user input. You can check it out, you can try it out, and we can also use, instead of having this one, we can just type here true, and this one is going to generate the same output as we got, the infinity loop as we got it previously. Okay, so that one is going to get us the previous output. Okay, we can also use break, continue, try to use them under below the if statements or under the switch statements. Okay, you can try out them. Okay, but it's better to use them inside the switch, inside the if statement. Okay, rather than putting them inside the switch statement. Okay, so we can have them like that. So that's it about the do while loop. Okay, so enjoy using it.